Hi friends, welcome to the Education Hub Learning YouTube channel. In this video, I have discussed about the most important MySQL commands. What are the important in MySQL commands? So what are they? Let's discuss now. So first one is create database. How to create the database? Actually, why we use the database means you have to create a new database. For example, you want to create one student details. First you have to create a database. In the database you have to add the student details. So by using the database, we can add the tables, alter, so delete, rename table name. So these commands are included. So syntax is create database name. So this is the syntax for the creation of database. For example, you want alter the database means you have to modify the database name. For example, I take as a CSC. Okay, I want to change an it EC. Okay, EC. By using the alter command, then we can easy to modify the database name. Syntax is alter database name. Okay, next create table. For example, you want to create a student table. So for example, student table, which command you are used? So create table. So you can create a table. By using the table, we can add the columns. So syntax is create table name. Okay, next column name, data type, size, and column name, database, data type and size. Let's see execution part. For example, you won't show the database. For example, already it's a database created, so we want to see the database. By using the show databases. Okay, database, these are the databases. Okay, for example, you want to create a new database. So create database. Database name is, for example, employee. Okay, this is my emp is an a database name. So uh, for example, you want to you are creating a database. You want to use the database means use database name is emp. So enter. So create table. For example, you want create one employee table. So create table name is employee. Okay, column name, for example, employee ID. Okay, data type is int. Next, emp name, data type is varchar. So 30. For example, joining date. Okay, so data type is date. Okay, query. Okay, next, creating of table over, and how to use the database and create a database. And second one is insert into a new data. So for example, creating a table. So table means only you can add the columns. Okay, so you want add the records. These are the records is nothing but rows. So columns is nothing but fields. Okay, here you want add one, some name, 2, 3, 4. These are the IDs, okay, and these are the names. So how to insert the values means by using the insert command we can add the values. So insert into table name, okay, column 1, column 2, column 3, and values is value 1, value 2, value 3. Okay, this is the one way, and two ways we can insert the values. This is the one way. This is the one way and this is the second way. So insert into table name and values, value 1, value 2, value 2, value 3. So this is the easy process to insert the values. So let's see. Insert into table name is employee. For example, first method, this is columns employee id comma employee name comma joining date, joining date. Okay, next values 1 comma, for example, honey. You can give first year, month, and date. Okay, query okay, one row affected. So for example, you won't see the table. Okay, select no, second method, insert into employee, employee values 2 comma 2021 month 01. Okay, this is the one method, and two methods we have inserting by inserting the values. So this is the one method and this is the second method. So you won't add more, so you can add the comma. Okay, 4 comma. Okay, query okay, 2 rows added. Here only one row added, so you want to add multiple rows, you can separate the commas. So this is the process for the inserting the values into the table. Okay, select. Why we use the select command means extract the data from a table, a database. For example, you won't see the table or inserting the values, so you want to select means it will appear the total and entire the table will be displayed. For example, syntax is select star. Star means all rows and columns. So star is nothing but all rows and columns from table name. This is the one way to select the table, and second way is select column 1, column 2 from table name. For example, three columns are there, so I want I want only two rows. So sorry, two columns. So by two columns means by using the select column 1 and column 2 from table name. It's a process to insert the it display the table. Okay, select star from table name is employee. So enter. So it will display the uh, it display the table. So emp id and emp name and joining data. So joining data is must be the format is year and month and date. This is the process to insert the values and creating a table, and it display the table display the table by using the select star from the employee. For example, I want only id and employee name. So select column 1 emp id comma emp name from table name employee. So enter. Only display the employee id and employee name. Okay, this is the process for the inserting all rows and all columns. Only want to choose the one particular column means this is the syntax for the selection of the table. Next one, alter. So the alter table statement is used to add or delete or modify the columns in existing the table. For example, you want add column. Already three rows are existed. So employee id, employee name, joining date. uh, Here I want to add one more column. So by using the alter command we can easily add the column. So syntax is alter table, table name, and add column name and data type. Okay, drop column. So drop means it's deleting the data from the table. So syntax is alter table, table name, drop column, column name. So this is the syntax for the drop column. For example, you want to uh, rename the column name. So by using this alter command we can easily rename the column name. For example, alter table, table name, rename column old name to new name. So these are the syntax for the alter by using the add or delete or modify. Let's see the execution. Alter table, table name is employee. Okay, employee, employee, add column name. So column name is column name. For example, employee address. Data type is varchar. So enter. Query okay. If you won't see the table means select star from the employee. So it will added the employee address. Okay. Next command is alter drop column. Okay. Rename. First you can rename the column. So alter table, table name, alter table, table name is employee, employee, rename column, rename column. So old table name to new table name. So old table name is, for example, employee address. Address to employee phone number. No phone number. Address one. Address one I take. So okay. Next address one is added. So this is the modify the column name. So you want to delete these joining date. So how to delete the column means alter table, alter table, table name is employee, drop column, column name, drop column, column name is joining, joining date. Okay, if it is deleted or not, we can check the select star from the employee, so it will be deleted. This is the process for the alter table, alter table, table name, add. For example, you want add the column, so by using the alter command, then we can easily to add the column. And here rename the column name, so here employee address, so I want change as a employee address one. So this is the new column, and this is the drop column. So I want to drop these joining dates, so it will be deleted. Okay, next one, alter table, and table name it modify the database, no. So update statement, so update statement means syntax is update table name set column is equal to value column to where conditions. So for example, already here we are adding a table, so here appearing the null. For example, you want add the particular data to the table, so by using the update command, we can easily add the data to the table. So syntax is update table name employee set column into employee id equal to 1, where no, wrong. Here you can take as a m address 1 equal to Hyderabad, where condition is employee ID or employee name, whatever you take. So it will be added. So here Hyderabad added. Okay, this is the process for the, so condition is only employee ID. So that's why it's employee ID is equal to 1. Okay, this is the process for the adding the data by using the update statement. So this is the update columns. So column name and value. For example, you want to modify the column value. For example, ID is 1. You want to modify as a 2 by using the update all columns. So update table name set column name is equal to value. This is the syntax for the update, and this is the delete. So delete from table and where conditions. So you want to apply the conditions, and if you want delete all records by using this syntax, delete from the table name, totally it will be deleted. Okay, delete, delete syntax is delete from table name employee, it will be deleted the data. So empty set, uh, because here deleted the data, that's why it's appearing the empty set. So these are the important MySQL commands. These are the most important. This is our video. మీకు నచ్చింది అనుకుంటా. సో ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ టు subscribe and like and share and comment. Thank you for the